Have you ever been in the situation of arriving at your destination and discovering that your bag didn't arrive with you? It's one of the most stressful situations that can happen during a trip, especially when you're alone and still learning English. Just imagine, you just got off a long flight, you're tired, excited to get to your hotel, and when you go to get your luggage, it's simply not there. Hi, it's a pleasure to have you here. I am Charlie, and in this video, you will learn exactly how to communicate when your bag goes missing at the airport. Today, we're going to present a real dialogue about an unpleasant situation, but unfortunately, very common in travel. Lost bags that don't arrive with the passenger, especially for those who are alone and beginners in English. You need to know exactly how to get information and ask for help. That's why I'm going to show you a real conversation between Thomaz, a Brazilian traveler, and the airport attendant. Stay until the end, because I am going to present 5 words considered difficult to improve your vocabulary in these situations. And I'm going to give you a super important extra tip about luggage at airports that can save your trip. You'll see that with the right phrases and a little preparation, this stressful situation can be solved much more calmly. Let's begin. Now I'm going to present the complete dialogue between Thomaz and the airport attendant. Pay attention to how Thomaz communicates clearly and directly, even being a beginner in English.
Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive.
I understand. What was your flight?
Flight AZ123 from Sao Paulo.
When did the flight land?
30 minutes ago.
Did you wait at the belt until the end?
Yes, until last bag appeared.
Do you have the bag tag?
I do. Here's the receipt.
Thank you. I'll check the system. Your full name, please.
Thomaz Almeida Silva.
Date of birth, please.
May 2nd, 2004.
Thank you. I found your record. Describe the bag, please.
Medium size, blue, 2 wheels, hard shell with red ribbon on the handle.
Do you have a photo of the bag?
I do, on my phone.
Thank you. I'll attach the photo. Did you have any connections?
No, it was a direct flight.
Possible reasons are various. It might have stayed at origin. It might have been diverted. Someone might have taken it, and security might retain it. I'll check each case. Please wait.
Could someone have taken it?
Maybe. Sometimes it happens.
Okay.
I checked the lost and found room. Your bag isn't there, not on other belts either. Confirmed, stayed at origin. Expected to come on tonight's flight.
But there's no guarantee of that?
We can never guarantee anything.
What do I do now?
Just wait. I've already informed the team. Meanwhile, I'll update the system. What would be the address where you're staying in the city for delivery if we recover it?
City Center Hotel, King Street, number 50.
Phone and email, please.
Phone +55 11 99999 9999. Email thomaz@email.com.
Thank you. I registered a report. This is your number. Keep this document, please.
Okay, thank you. When does the bag arrive?
Tomorrow morning, around 10. We deliver to your hotel at no cost. Or do you prefer to pick up at the airport?
No, I prefer at the hotel.
Write the room number.
Room 317.
Any special instructions?
Leave at reception, please.
Noted. I need your signature.
Here, I signed the form. What if it doesn't arrive tomorrow?
We'll notify by email. You can track online. Use this link and number.
In case of actual loss, are the items in the bag paid for?
The company covers basic items like clothes, shoes, simple personal objects.
Where do I ask for reimbursement if needed?
At the airline counter, they handle payments. Our sector handles tracking. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I do.
Great. They can reimburse more. Keep all receipts.
Will the company give me at least a hygiene kit now?
Some companies give kits. Ask them, please. The counter is over there.
Okay, and if the bag doesn't arrive tomorrow morning, how long can it take to resolve?
Normally up to 24 hours, rarely up to 3 days.
What if it takes longer?
The company declares it lost, then they make compensation.
I'm worried and tired.
I understand. Take a breath. We'll help you. Do you need clothes now?
Yes, I need basic clothes.
Ask for vouchers at the counter. They help today.
Where is the company counter?
Follow the blue signs. It's on the upper floor. Turn left after security.
Can you come with me?
I need to stay here, sorry. But I'll call them. They'll meet you there.
Thank you for the help.
You're welcome, Thomaz. Come back if you need.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Good luck.
Did you see what an important dialogue to have when luggage is lost? I'll highlight the 3 most important expressions that Thomaz used and the 3 from the attendant, explaining why they're essential and how you can vary them. Essential expressions from Thomaz. My bag didn't arrive. This is the perfect opening phrase to report the problem. It's direct, clear, and immediately communicates the situation. You can also say, my luggage is missing, or I couldn't find my bag. The important thing is to be direct from the beginning so the attendant quickly understands what the problem is. Can you deliver to my hotel? This question is crucial because it shows you're thinking about the practical solution. Many people don't know that most airlines offer free delivery to hotels. Variations include, do you deliver to hotels? Or is hotel delivery possible? Always ask about this because it can save a lot of time and money. Do you cover essential items? This is a smart question that many passengers forget to ask. Airlines usually cover basic items when luggage is delayed. You can also ask, what expenses do you reimburse? Or can I buy necessities and get reimbursed? Knowing your rights is essential in these situations. Essential expressions from the attendant. ILL check the system. This phrase indicates that the attendant is taking concrete action to help. When you hear this, know it's a good sign. The attendant can also say, let me look that up, or ILL search our database. It's important to wait patiently while they do this check. Keep this document, please. This is a super important instruction that you must follow strictly. The document is your proof that you reported the lost luggage. Variations include, hold on to this paper, or don't lose this receipt. Always keep all papers you receive related to your lost luggage. You can track online. This information is valuable because it allows you to follow your luggage as progress. The attendant can also say, check the status online or monitor your bag's location. Always write down the tracking number and the website where you can follow it. Very well. When it comes to airports and lost bags, we have some essential words for you to have at your fingertips, because sooner or later, you'll need them on your trips. Here they are. 1. Reimbursement. This word means the money you get back for expenses you had due to the luggage problem. It's essential to know this word because it's your right to receive reimbursement for essential items. A simpler alternative is refund, which has the same meaning. Example: where do I ask for reimbursement for my expenses? 1. Reimbursement. This word means the money you get back for expenses you had due to the luggage problem. It's essential to know this word because it's your right to receive reimbursement for essential items. A simpler alternative is refund, which has the same meaning. Example: where do I ask for reimbursement for my expenses? 2. Compensation refers to the payment the airline makes when it causes harm to the passenger. It's different from reimbursement because it's compensation for the trouble caused. You can also use payment as an alternative. Example: what compensation do you offer for delayed luggage? 3. Diverted means your luggage was sent to a different place than planned, usually due to error or operational problems. It's an important technical word to know. An alternative would be redirected or sent elsewhere. Example: my bag might have been diverted to another airport. 4. Retained indicates that your luggage was kept or held somewhere, usually by airport security for inspection. An alternative word would be held or kept. Example: security might have retained your bag for inspection. 5. Voucher. It's a coupon or credit that the airline gives you to buy essential items while you wait for your luggage. It's very useful to know this word because you can receive vouchers for clothes, hygiene products, and even food. An alternative would be coupon or credit. Example: can I get vouchers to buy clothes and hygiene products? Did you see how Thomaz managed to solve his situation efficiently? The secret is knowing the right phrases and staying calm, even being a beginner in English. He managed to communicate all the necessary information and understand the attendant's guidance. Now I'll give you a super important extra tip about luggage at airports that can really save your trip. Always take a photo of your bag before checking it and keep that photo on your phone. Also, put an identification tag both outside and inside the bag. If the external tag gets lost, the internal one can be your salvation. And here, ask the most important thing. Never throw away the luggage receipt they give you at check-in. That small paper is your most valuable document if something goes wrong. A bonus tip: if you have travel insurance, always mention it, like Thomaz did. Insurance can cover much more than the airline, including clothes, medicines, and even extra meals. Remember, the goal of this type of video is for you to have complete understanding of what was spoken and explained. That's why I recommend you watch this video at least twice. The first time, focus on the general context of the conversation. The second time, pay attention to the details of the phrases and pronunciation. If this content was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment telling what you liked most in this lesson. Your participation is very important to me and helps me create better and better content for your learning. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue practicing real travel situations for you to gain more confidence in your English. Until then, keep practicing, and remember, with slow English, you achieve fast learning.